up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So guys, here's the tea. You have to come real close to get the tea. So I've recently came across some set of foam bubble nail art videos, or it could be foam nails, bubble nails, whichever way you want to interpret the nail. It's a gorgeous nail art idea. Shout out to who came up with this idea. You are the real G. So, and everybody had a different idea of what it should look like, but guys, it's a beautiful artwork. It was giving me a lot of vibes. It was giving me marble, it was giving me abstract, it was giving me smoke effect, if you want that. It was giving me a lot of things. I don't know if my attempt was a fail or if it was a hit or a miss, but that's my representation from seeing it, you know. So you already know I wanted to be a part of the mix. I wanted to try. So the difference with my video today is that I'll be using regular polish, and everything else that is used on other person's videos, I'll be using the same thing. So I'll be using regular polish, cuticle oil, and acetone. So what you'll be needing for this video is cuticle oil, nail polish. I think you can get any nail polish that you desire. Just ensure that you're able to see it. But guys, listen here. If you want to see how I achieved this look, but let me first warn you guys, it's like I tried like 4 times. The attempt was like too much. Like, and when I watch these videos on YouTube of the foam bubble nails, persons are trying like once. So I was like, why is it that when I'm attempting it on my first try, it's messing itself with me, it's playing with me? So I did it a second time, and it was the same thing. It was coming, and I think I needed to add a little bit more of the acetone, but then the acetone started to dry very quickly. In the first clip of the when I started doing the nail art technique, I realized that it was drying very quickly, and the reason to that was because I had the fan on. So I turned off the fan, made another attempt at doing it, but I don't know what was different. I think it was more watery, and it was drying pretty quickly. And I also think it has to do with the fact that I was not using a deep dish. Or does it affect it? I don't know. So this is not going to be my first video here with the foam bubble nail video or technique. This is not going to be my last video here on YouTube with the foam bubble nail art. I'm willing to try again with polish. So I attempted like 4 times, did it 4 different ways. It still wasn't working out. I think on the 3rd attempt, I got it. But then it started drying it started to dry very quickly. I don't know if the reaction that the acetone has with the nail polish makes the process dry very quickly versus to the gel and the acetone. Probably there's some, chemical that is within the gel that slows down acetone. But with the nail polish, regular nail polish, the process is very quick. So I don't know what's going on. So I wiped off the nail. I did the pinky first, and then I think I liked that. I liked how it looked. I liked how the pinky looked, and then I proceeded to do the ring finger, and I realized, oh, that's not what. What is going on? What's going on? So it's like, okay, all right, I need to remove this. This needs to be removed. So I removed it, made another batch of the bubble foam nail art, and I applied it. This time it was more of the foamy side. It was very milky. Very milky. I don't know. I think on different attempts, you will give you different textures. So if you want bubbles, you will sometimes get bubbles. If you want foam, you will get foam. If you want bubbles and foam, you sometimes will get bubbles and foam. I must apologize for the lighting. It was off. I realized that majority of the clips that you could barely see how it formed. I should have taken pictures and included it in here in the video, but on the next video I'll be attempting it again. So yes guys, this is my attempt. I hope you guys liked it. I did bring it to my taste, my desire, my liking. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, find it very informative. I hope you guys try it out, come back, tell me how to do it, and then problem is solved. But I'm willing to make another video on this foam bubble nail art because I really think that it's different, very, very different. So shout out to whomever came up with this idea. But guys, I'm at the end of the video and you know how it is. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and tell me if I hit or miss this video. Bye guys.